In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund an Eventbrite ticket. Whether you're an event organizer or just curious about the process, I'm here to guide you through it. Let's get started with the steps. First, log into your Eventbrite account. This is important because you'll need access to your event dashboard. If you don't have your login details handy, make sure to retrieve them before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. From here, you'll find all the events you've organized. Now navigate to the event dashboard. This section is crucial as it contains all the tools you need to manage your event. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. The dashboard is your control center for everything related to your event. Next up, go to the Manage Attendees section and then click on Orders. This is where you'll see a list of all the ticket orders for your event. Finding the right order quickly can save you a lot of time. You might want to use any search or filter options available to make this step more efficient. Once you've found the order you want to refund, click on Actions. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for and select Refund this order. This action will open up the refund options for the order you've selected. Here you have a choice to make. You can either issue a full refund or a partial refund. Consider the situation carefully. A full refund will return the entire ticket amount to the purchaser. A partial refund might be appropriate if certain conditions are met. Think about your refund policy and what you're comfortable offering. After deciding between a full or partial refund, confirm the refund. This step is crucial to ensure the process is completed. Once confirmed, the money will be returned to the original payment method. Keep in mind this usually takes 5 to 7 business days. Rest assured, the system will handle this automatically for you. Now let's cover some essential points to keep in mind. Typically, ticketing fees are not refunded by default. Be aware of this as it might be a point of discussion with your attendees. Your refund rules will depend on the policy you set as the organizer. It's important to clearly communicate these policies to avoid any misunderstandings. If your event is canceled, refunds are generally required. This is something you should plan for in advance. Additionally, you must respond to refund requests within 5 business days. Prompt responses help maintain good customer relations and trust. Finally, remember that refunds will always go back to the original payment method. This is a security measure to protect both you and the ticket buyer. By following these steps and keeping these points in mind, you'll manage refunds smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching this guide on how to refund an Eventbrite ticket. I hope you found it helpful and clear. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day and good luck with your event management.